Galing naman. Ada is eating vegetable. Oh, eating vegetable.
You're making video in YouTube?
Yes po. Wow, very good. Yummy.
You're making video? I can make my video
I'm
in my
watching,
own.
I'm watching your video also, ate. You're so pretty. At Ada will eat vegetable. Ada will eat vegetable.
No.
Wow, very good. How about Ate Eva? Wow, what is the taste? Nice, tastes good. Si Buntis nakain ng vegetable?
Yes.
Very good.
Down. Down. The girl is going up. Up.
Galing kumain, ano rin.
Nakain ng gulay ito.
Up. Now she's going down.
Yan. Vegetable.
Outside.
Kain na.
Outside.
Eat, open your mouth. Very good. Ang galing ni baby. Yummy! Yum, yum, yum.
Hello
Wow.
guys. Sleep. Just like Ate Eva's channel.
Yes, Ate Eva.
Can you say my